Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with an interesting stitch named Delmarva. This particular stitch uses 2DC groups, 2DC groups of 2 and 2DC groups of 3, and then you have the treble crochet shells, 2 treble crochets together, cluster, actually treble crochet cluster shells, you can say. 2 treble crochet cluster, chain 1, 2 treble crochet cluster, chain 1, 2 treble crochet cluster. This is how it forms and it looks beautiful, and it's a great stitch for variety of projects. Sky is the limit for your imagination. And in one row it uses, instead of treble crochet shells, single crochet shell, simple single crochet V-stitch, you can call it. Okay, so it's a 2-row repeat pattern. To make this pattern we require multiples of 10 chains plus 7 as the foundation chains. Okay, I shall be back with the required number of chains to demonstrate this stitch to you all. I have made 2 repeats of 10 plus 7, 27 chains. I am using a lighter shade of Aran yarn. This is soft pink yarn I am using for demonstration. They are, for the sample piece I had used violet. Okay. To begin with, place 2 DC in the 5th chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here place 2 double crochets. Row 1 is not a pattern repeat row. Rows 2 and 3 are pattern repeat rows. Skip a chain and place 2 DCs in the next chain. So this is 1 DC group made in the edge. And then skip 2 chains, chain 2, skip 2 chains, place SC, chain 2 SC, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the same chain. Again chain 2, skip 2, make 2 DCs in the next. Skip 1, 2 DCs in the next. Sorry. One more time. Skip 1, 2 DCs in the next. So this is 2 DC group of 3. Chain 2, skip 2, SC, chain 2, SC, all in the same stitch. Again chain 2, skip 2, 2 DC, again skip 1 chain, 2 DC, and skip 1 chain and place a DC in the very last chain. So this completes row 1. Row 2, chain 3 counts as a DC, or simply turn and make a twisted DC. Then place two DCs between the 2 DCs. and again place 2 DCs between the 2 DCs. We are not working over the DCs. And here comes our treble crochet cluster shell. So under the chain 2 space here, make treble crochet cluster, chain 1, treble crochet cluster, sorry, so chain 1, sorry, complete this cluster, chain 1, and a treble crochet cluster. And between the 2 DCs place 2 double crochets. This is the stitch repeat for this particular row. Row 2. Row 2 is a pattern repeat row. So between 2 DCs place 2 DCs. Under the chain 2 space of the single crochet place treble crochet cluster shell. So complete till the end. I shall also complete till the end and get back to you. Come to the end of row 2 here. So place a DC on the turning chain, third chain of the turning chain. Turn your work, chain 3 and turn your work, or make a twisted standing double crochet as the very first stitch here. Then over the DCs, V stitch you can call it, in between the 2 DCs always make 2 DCs. For row 3 make 2 DCs between them, between the 2 DCs, again 2 DCs between the 2 DCs. This is repeated row after row. In between the DCs you are making 2 DCs, and when you come to the treble crochet cluster shell, place a single crochet here, before that chain 2 and go there. Chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet between the next 2 treble clusters. So this is the pattern stitch repeat for this particular row 3. 2 DCs between the 2 DCs, and when you come to the treble crochet cluster shell, single chain 2 and come over here, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet between the next 2 clusters, chain 2 and go over to the DCs. So repeat the stitch pattern till the end. I shall also complete and get back. I have come to the end of row 3 here. So simply place a DC in the very last stitch. So repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. I shall repeat the pattern one more time and get back to you. So I have repeated the pattern one more time, and this is how the pattern looks. This is the right side, that is row, even number of rows are the right side rows. So you can make repeat the pattern, repeat the rows 2 and 3 to the desired length to make any particular project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Please do like and share our videos. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.